with the reggae style, bringing hip-hop grooves to the reggae child. I tried one drop, but I broke the vibe. I'm running all around, I'm going wild. I'm so fucked up, I'm saying things. I got 30 dirty